Hi guys, so today I have a Firmoo Try-On for you. This is going to be like a try-on and review, so if you're interested then just keep on watching. So recently Firmoo reached out to me. They asked if they could send me a pair of glasses. I have worked with them in the past and I have gotten really cute glasses, and honestly I was shocked how high quality these glasses are because I do have prescription glasses at my optometrist. I do wear contacts and glasses. I have horrible eyesight. I have astigmatism and I also just am nearsighted, I think. Yes, I can only see things that are near. If I don't have my glasses or contacts on, like everything is just horribly blurry, and it's just the most uncomfortable thing. Compared to the glasses I get at my optometrist, I feel like these are honestly like the same quality, and these are just crazy affordable. Like if you go to the optometrist, if you know, you know, they're just extremely expensive, even if you have insurance, which is insane. So yeah, they sent me the glasses in this cute little case. It just says Firmoo. I've actually never had a case like this before. These are the glasses. Just like this pink color. It's like an ombre, like pink to clear. So cute. So yeah, really easy to order. Just order online. I do have my contacts on right now, so it's really blurry, but just so you guys can see what they look like. Also have like a gold detailing on the side, which is cute. Also, there's like glitter on the side, like silver glitter details. They also give you like little cards, little $10 voucher as a reward. Just like little coupons. And additionally, they give you a soft case. Sometimes I'll put my sunglasses in cases like this, but I never really put my prescription glasses in soft cases. I don't know why. I just feel like my prescription glasses are more valuable and I don't want them to crack or get smushed. But anyways, if I do have any codes or links, I will have it in my description box below. I will also have Firmoo's website so that you guys can go check out all their different varieties of sunglasses and prescription glasses. Highly recommend them. I've like I mentioned previously, I really adore Firmoo. I just feel like they're just so affordable for everybody, and they're also just really pretty and gorgeous items, styles. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried Firmoo. Let me know if you guys are interested in trying and what you think of the glasses. So thank you again to Firmoo for sending me this pair of glasses. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time that I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.